my opponent has played more than 20,000 game in Thai Jam. Did he even play more game than my whole life game? 20,000 game. Oh, he likes to play the super fast game. It's really great. Okay, double pincer. What's that? Are you kidding me? Is it really true? Just play at the star and star and star. What? Okay, fine. Then you wanna cut, right? Then how can I cover those cutting points naturally? Just, I don't know, support. Yeah. Okay, you wanna save at the corner. Fine, I accept. But still is not alive. Okay, let him save there. And then how can I cover the cutting point naturally? Should I just connect here, or I have to search some efficient move? Seems connect is good enough actually. Yeah, or can I even attack? Okay, active. Yeah, active. Oh, he even doesn't think for 5 seconds, and then he keep play the fast move. Okay, pincer. Pincer seems suitable with this. Answer here. Double pincer is still attractive for white. But if you don't play, then I will play the large knight move here. I will try to be efficient and fine. Fine, here has done. That means when I have a hat, he really love to save at the corner, right? Then I break your plan. I will get into the corner this time. Then you can't save there. Oh, is it really working? I think, isn't it? Oh, seems too fast. But it might work. Okay, didn't I care for this too much? Okay, let's do this first then. Oh, seems I think white is possible to think this move. Yeah, white is thick enough. He really want to punch me. Then he want to even make the capturing race. What? Change the sequence? Then I don't accept. I will just give the corner. I already get the another biggest place just now, so I can be nice little bit. And then you are pressing me. I do not have a 2 eyes, right? Then I will try to get 2 eyes, mostly efficient move with then stretch here. Are you gonna oh, will it separate? Oh ho ho. Okay, you really love to fight then. Oh, it's really cool. Then also I will fly to the sky and then break. Seems white shape was a bit broke. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, then I will pip. Can I cut? Yes, then. Yeah, to be honest, when he was just connecting here, I wanted to, before he play here, I wanted to attach block here. I wanted to just capture 2 stones, but he knows that what I want to do, so he just defends the here. Oh, is it really possible? You can even cut like that? Too much, isn't it? Answer. How are you going to serve this? Then, okay, Atari first. And then block. Answer. And just answer. It's gonna be a capturing race. Okay, now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liberties. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liberty too. That means I'm not gonna lose this capturing race. But I have to play carefully. What should I do for next? Can I even capture without capturing race? What if I just try to make the I shape here? And even I ask him whether he is willing to connect here or not. And I think probably he has to play here. Oh, he just ignore. How come? Oh, it's difficult. Do you have any idea? How should I take capturing race? If I make mistake, I think my stone might be dead. I really need to read carefully. Okay, not that easy. Somehow, if I just call and here and answer, then he may have a jump here, and there might be a chance to be a seki. If that's the seki, that actually is not bad for me. But what if I just try to get the I shape first, like here? Can I have a 2 eyes or not? Just ask him whether he is willing to give me 2 eyes immediately or not. Can you give me 2 eyes? I just need 2 eyes for not having the capturing race. Okay, then that's it. Fine. He accepted me to have a 2 eyes. I just need to take care of this group well. Okay, now he want to kill this group again. Okay. Hane first. But it seems in a bit danger. I have to run away. Run away. Save me. Oh, okay. You didn't continue to answer here, right? Then become attack. And then try to cut. And continue. It's so complicated capturing race again. Okay, fine. Stretch. Okay, then I'm not gonna chase you. Just capture this. It's good enough. Go out. Jump. Is there any cutting point? I think it seems okay. Just I can use gentle attacking method. Oh yeah, he really want to beat here. What if I just outside the block, connect and connect, push and block, Atari and capture. Okay, I'm willing to give you 1 eye. I'm always willing to give you 1 eye. Capture. Connect. Capture. Capture. I'm willing to give you this. Okay, he just resigned. Okay, this time my opponent's tactics was very interesting. I didn't change the topic. This was not the game 11. Yeah, it was a 12th game. Yeah, I forgot to change the topic. Let me have a simple review. Yeah. His beginning was very interesting, wasn't it? Yeah. He has played star and then also star and then star, star, star. But not the even side that he played the center. And he started to save at the corner. Actually, this is very big place. Yeah, compared to I just getting here, yeah, it's super big. When he just saves here, I have to defend my cutting point with efficiently. And then, yeah, I went to the big place. Yeah, probably I think black has more territory until now. I have 3 corners, and he just have one corner. And even the stone position is staying at the side, but his stone's position is not so efficient place for building up the territory. And invade here, I think it makes sense. He can do that actually. Yeah, now he's complaining whether I didn't play here. Yeah, if I play here, I can protect my Aji. But I think seems okay. It worked because white has even 2 more stones there. If he just continued to play connect first and then push and then cut, yeah, to be honest, this fighting wasn't really easy for me. I think it might be a bit overplay. If I Atari here and this one, and even he may have a chance to attach here like this, then he can save this group anytime when he want, and it was actually not so easy. Yeah, just he Hane and then attach here. He gave me the chance of the trading. So this trading makes sense because I had the capturing position. And of course I lost a lot of points at the corner, but I have got one of the big plays here. So I can be a bit nice to him, yeah. And then when I invade here, it doesn't seem easy for white, yeah. Because when he really want to attack this group, he had to separate here. But if he cannot kill this group, then it's too risky for him. So now, when I was just going out, yeah, he was using the beautiful move. Yeah, it was very soft, yeah. But now seems white was in big trouble. If he answers, then I was planning to just capture this. Yeah, it seems good enough for me. But he just defends here. But seems corner was much in danger. So now I think white cannot do it better than this. And this capturing race was so much exciting. Yeah, now if I just play here, black can play stretch. When he get in, I can make 2 eyes. I can just make 2 eyes. When he block here, I can block here. Then black has much more liberty. Yeah, nothing is gonna work like this. Yeah, even black doesn't really have to play number 14. Okay, and after this capturing race, I think black is leading. Yeah, at the end of the game, if he just answers here, then still I was planning to go out to center and then return here. But he had overplay again, so now I had to even chance to beat this group. Yeah. And yeah, until now, I think white really do not have enough territory. And then he just resigned. Okay, it was second game, and